Notice him pulling on the seatbelt.
Definitely feel the pull.
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? So we are here at SR Garage. Been a minute. What's going on, my guy?
What up?
How you been?
Good, how are you?
How you like the new car?
Dope.
It's a little dirty though, so
A little dirty.
that's why we're here. He's gonna sanitize and steam clean and pretty much bring that 1998 interior back. So I'm gonna let him take a rip at this thing, and then we're gonna go out and take a rip in this thing and try and scare him a little bit. Stay tuned. If you guys saw the last ride-along video I did with him when we took him in the
I've already
Hellcat,
had breakfast, okay?
he got a little lightheaded, almost threw up. So this should be a good one. Let's see him knock this out real quick. Come on. Do a quick walkthrough. She's dirty. Already vacuumed it once when I first got it, but that was already a couple weeks ago. There's so much crud and stuff that blows around, like from under the seats and just stuff from 1998. So he's gonna get rid of every little tiny speck of dust, steam clean stuff, make sure it's nice and sanitary, because don't know what was going on in here before I got it.
we don't want to know that.
Damn, was a brand new towel before this door. So this one was only sprayed down and then like bristled with that brush. This door has been wiped down. Let's go look at it. So he just steam cleaned it and then wiped it down. Both of these towels were brand new. Look at the door. Looks like it's straight from 1998 again. This car was extremely dirty, way dirtier than I thought it was, but it is from 98. Car's been sitting a couple years. Look at all these towels he went through cleaning the interior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And every single towel was brand new. All this dirt came from either the seats or door panels. It's insane how dirty this thing was. So now he's gonna start extracting it, extract all the carpet and stuff, get everything released out of here. So I get it, this car is from 98, but someone was smoking Marlboro Reds in this thing or something, because it smells like straight cigarettes right now. Thank God I'm getting this done. Get that smell completely gone. Just finished extracting the marrow. Let's see what was inside of this thing. Oh no. Jesus. Jesus. So this is all of the extraction that came out of this car. All that dirt. Disgusting. All right, so this little triangle corner molding was definitely faded compared to the freshly wrapped roof line. As you can see right here, faded a bunch. Wrapping them black really fast, and it already looks way better. Looks 100 times better than this side. See what I mean? All faded and stuff. Got these little side moldings all wrapped. But look at the interior. Looks brand new. Spotless, spotless. Sheesh. So if you guys are interested in getting this package done, hit up SR Garage. This is called the Interior Reset Package. Pretty self-explanatory. The interior is completely reset, like back to factory. So if you're looking to get this done, make sure you hit up my guy, SR Garage.
Does it look like I'm ready? All right. Oh,
So
this shit is crispy.
crispy. It honestly made a huge difference. So just detailed the interior of the Camaro. Huge shout out to my guy SR Garage. Now we're gonna go scare him a little bit in this thing. Notice him pulling on the seatbelt.
So this shit works.
So he's been in the Hellcat. The Hellcat's definitely faster. Feels a lot different just because auto trans and supercharger is turbo and shit. But she gets it.
Alright, let's go.
It's supposed to be 550 wheel. Don't know how true that is. Haven't tuned it.
Smells clean.
It smells so fresh in here.
Better than the Hellcat. It's different.
It's way different. So I don't think I've ever got like a full pull in the Cat just because it never has traction.
Yeah.
This will spin, but then it'll catch and just go. Definitely a little different than the Cat.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Gonna have to do a comparison pull. Have to pull up the last video.
Yeah, he's eating, so not getting lightheaded.
I'm not gonna do this, today because we had a good lunch.
Let's get on the straightaway. All right, so we're gonna brake boost, build the turbo up, and then just fucking launch. You ready?
No shit handles?
Nope. Everything's so slippery.
Sorry. Way different than the Hellcat. For sure.
Way different.
Everything.
I gotta fix that wheel hop though.
Up there. Yeah. We solid.
So what would you rate this?
It's up there, man. It's fucking quick.
This compared to the Hellcat?
I think they're right there.
Really?
But see, here's the thing. Completely different cars, completely set up different, but they're both fucking cool.
Yeah. So, coming very, very soon, May 25th, we're going to be having a huge car meet here at SR Garage's shop. Pop up the flyer right here, but come out, family-friendly event, no donuts, burnouts, anything like that. But bring the kids, bring the girlfriend, the wife, whatever. Come out, have some fun.
I'll have donuts and coffee.
Okay. Then they'll have to do another wipe down, huh?
Yeah, I'll have to wipe it down.
Sorry. Let me dry off a little bit more. So 1 out of 10. You got to give me a number.
You get like a 10-10.
10-10? All right. That's what I like to hear. Just got back from the ride along. Was it fun?
Yeah, I just changed my drawers. We're setting out.
This car is a beast. I love taking people for ride-alongs in this car because seeing their reaction is a lot different than the Hellcat. I think it's the manual trans and I don't know what it is.
It's a whole different beast.
It's a whole different beast, huh? Got this thing all shined up, looking like it just came off the showroom floor, literally. Freaking spotless. Look at the interior. Woohoo! Ooh-wee. So she's all good to go. If you guys need a detail, make sure you guys hit up my guy SR Garage. All his info is right here. If you're in the Bay Area, he's definitely the guy to come to. If you're not in the Bay Area, he's still definitely the guy to come to. Thank you once again. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
We're in Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you can either win or crash finish the car trying to win?
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not this Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.